In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a rental website on Wix, an easy and intuitive platform perfect for creating beautiful websites. We're diving into every detail to ensure you can set up your very own site with ease. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to wix.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process that just requires some basic information. Once you're logged in and ready to go, we start by exploring our Wix dashboard. This is our hub for managing everything about our website. Now let's navigate to the Wix dashboard and look for something called Apps. It's usually located in the main menu on your left-hand side. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. This will take us into the world of Wix Apps, a treasure trove of tools to help enhance your website's functionality. Next, we're heading into the App Market, a vast selection of applications that you can integrate into your site. You can find this by clicking the App Market option within the Apps section. Inside, there's a search bar at the top of your screen. Let's put it to work. Type in hotel and press enter, and watch as various app options appear before you. From the results, look for Wix Hotels. This app is perfect for managing rentals, whether for a small operation or something more expansive. Once you find it, click on it to get a more detailed view. Here you'll see all the features it offers, along with user reviews, which can be helpful if you're still deciding. The next step is adding Wix Hotels to your site. You'll see an option that says Add to Site. Click on it, and the integration process will begin. Wix does an excellent job of guiding you through any specific permissions or settings you might need to configure, ensuring the app works seamlessly with your site. Now, you're ready to create your rental offerings. Within the app, you'll find an option labeled Create a Room. This feature allows you to set up different types of rentals that your customers can book online. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to add details such as room descriptions, pricing, and availability. And there you have it. You've set up a functional rental website using Wix. You can now continue to customize your rental offerings, manage reservations, and tweak the design to suit your brand's style. By utilizing the powerful features offered through Wix, you've unlocked endless possibilities to grow your business online. Thank you for joining me, and happy site building.